This is the rolling TV cart installation guide. Turn the base upside down and insert the lower pole into the center opening. From underneath the base, install the 3 end bolts with the P-washers. Start all 3 bolts by hand, then tighten them evenly with the 6mm Allen key. Stand the base upright and insert the upper pole. Keep the cable management openings aligned toward the back of the stand. Secure the upper and lower pole sections with the J-hex screw using the 4mm Allen key. To install the optional media shelf, position the shelf and its support bracket around the pole at the desired height. Join the 2 shelf pieces using the 2 end bolts and tighten them evenly. Next, slide the TV mount assembly over the top of the pole. Choose the mounting holes that provide the desired screen height. Insert both O bolts through the mount and the pole, add the Q-nuts, and securely tighten both connections. Place the television face down on a clean padded surface. Position both vertical TV brackets at the same height with the mounting hooks facing downward. Use the correct included screws, washers, and spacers for your television's VESA mounting holes. The brackets must sit flat against the back of the TV. Never force a screw or use one that is too long. Use 2 people to lift the television. Carefully hook both TV brackets over the mount rails. Center the television on the stand and confirm that both sides are fully seated before releasing the screen. Install the 4L safety screws through the lower mounting points using 2 screws on each bracket. Tighten all 4 securely without over-tightening. Adjust the large side knobs until the television holds the desired viewing angle. Once you have your desired viewing angle, retighten the large side knobs. To move the media shelf, untighten the 2M bolts, then slide it to the new desired position and retighten the bolts. There is also an option to have a portrait orientation. First, unscrew the 2K Phillips head stop screws on the top middle bracket. Then, carefully rotate the TV to the portrait orientation. Once the TV is in the portrait orientation, screw back in the 2K Phillips head stop screws in the matching holes for portrait orientation. To go back to landscape mode, unscrew the 2K Phillips head stop screws, then carefully rotate the TV back and screw back in the 2K Phillips head stop screws in the matching holes for the landscape orientation. For cleaner cable management, feed the television's power and signal cables into the upper opening behind the screen. Guide the cables down through the inside of the pole and pull them out through the lower opening. Leave enough cable slack for the television to tilt or rotate without pulling on any connections. You can now install the optional storage box, place it over the top of the main pole, and gently slide it into position. The box provides a convenient, concealed space for power strips, streaming devices, and other accessories, helping keep your equipment out of sight and your cables neat and organized. That's it!